Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with a beautiful Baron to tell you about today. She's pressurized. She's a 1979 Baron 58P. Not only is she pressurized, she is turbocharged. Let's take a look. Of course, we all know the Baron is famous as a workhorse. You're going to be taking lots of business trips, trips for pleasure. You're going to want to take your things with you. Up front here in the forward baggage compartment, we can carry up to 300 pounds. You can take your golf clubs if you take the woods off. And look, we've got the spring thing. We can load our stuff without getting worried about getting bonked on the head. So let's talk about your engines. Teledyne Continental TSIO 520, 325 horsepower engines. Yes, they are turbocharged. Only 50 hours on the engine since major overhaul by Triad Aviation. And you're gonna love this. When it comes to the warranty, we're covered 100%. So as you can see, this P Baron is known ice certified. We carry 196 gallons of usable fuel on board, and check this out, Vortex generators. The exterior is overall white with deep blue, gray, and burgundy metallic stripes in good condition. 7,375 hours total time on the airframe since new. So the useful load for this P Baron is 1810. Now check out the seats inside. They can be versatile. We can move them around. Everyone can be in the club seating configuration the way it's configured now, or everyone can face forward, or I can remove a seat. Don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, and we're in business. So come on in, let me show you the interior. It's in good condition. Gray leather seats, gray carpet, nice gray headliner. Now we do have G&D tinted window inserts, and we have shoulder harnesses for everyone. Now remember, it's a pressurized airplane. We have factory air conditioning and factory oxygen. Let's check out your flight deck. ASPEN Pro 1000 EFIS with altitude and vertical speed select for the G600. You'll enjoy the Garmin 430 WAAS with glide slope, King 196 digital comm, King KN53 nav with glide slope. We have a King DME on board. Your transponder, it's a Garmin with ADS-B. We have radar on board. It's a Bendex color radar. Also enjoy the King radar altimeter. We have a King ADF. Your autopilot is a Garmin G600, yaw damp system, and more. Other features you will appreciate: Vortex generators, factory air conditioning, digital fuel flow system, co-pilot brakes, factory oxygen system, 3-blade hot props, spring thing, de-ice boots, rosin sun visors, G&D window inserts, heated windshield segment, and so much more. This 1979 P Baron is looking for a new home. Not only is she pressurized, she is turbocharged, and her engines, they only have 50 hours on them since major overhaul from Triad Aviation, and the warranty, 100%. New autopilot, the paint and interior, good condition. Come on out and check her out. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We invite you to take a test drive. Also, P Baron School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you P Baron. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.